Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to reset your taskbar on Windows. So first method would be to go on your start menu here, right click on it, go to Task Manager right there. On Task Manager you want to go ahead and find a Windows Explorer process. So it can be called explorer.exe, but basically you want to right click on it and click Restart. After that your screen will go white or black, and after that everything will restart and your taskbar will be reset. Now if that didn't work for you, you want to go on the search bar to the second method, write down run. On run you want to write down this C Windows System32 and ctfmon.exe file. So I'm gonna leave this line in the description so you can copy. And after that, you're going to click OK, and it will basically reset your taskbar. And that's it. If this video was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to this channel, comment down below, and I will see you next time.